The concept of a smart home has evolved from a futuristic dream to a tangible reality, with technology making our lives more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable. If you're looking to upgrade your living space, here are 10 must-have smart home gadgets that can transform your home into a high-tech haven. Number 10. Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. This camera is an advanced security device that offers 2K HDR video quality, ensuring crystal-clear footage with enhanced detail. Its built-in spotlight activates with motion detection, providing color night vision that captures vivid details even in low-light conditions. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this weather-resistant camera features a 160-degree field of view and two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with visitors. Smart home integration enables control via voice commands or a smartphone app, offering customizable activity zones and alerts. With its comprehensive security features, the Arlo Pro 4 is an essential gadget for enhancing home safety in 2024. Number 9. Lutron Caseta Wireless Dimmer Switch. This is an exceptional addition to any smart home, offering seamless control over your lighting. This innovative switch allows you to adjust lighting levels via the Lutron app, voice commands, or a convenient remote. It supports various lighting schedules and scenes, enabling you to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. The dimmer switch integrates effortlessly with major smart home ecosystems, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Its easy installation and reliable performance make it a must-have for enhancing comfort and energy efficiency in your home. With the ability to control multiple lights simultaneously and set custom schedules, the Caseta wireless dimmer switch brings unparalleled convenience and flexibility to your lighting management, making it an indispensable gadget for 2024. Number 8. Ecobee Smart Camera. This is a cutting-edge security solution that enhances home monitoring with its high-definition video and intelligent features. It boasts a 180-degree field of view, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your space. The camera's intelligent motion detection can differentiate between people and pets, reducing false alerts and providing relevant notifications. Integration with Ecobee's smart ecosystem, including their thermostats and sensors, allows for seamless home automation and enhanced security. The smart camera also supports voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, enabling hands-free control and monitoring. With features like two-way audio, remote access via the Ecobee app, and encrypted video storage, it offers peace of mind and convenience. Its sleek design and easy installation make it a versatile addition to any smart home, making this an indispensable gadget for 2024. Number 7. Sonos Beam Soundbar. This is a compact yet powerful audio solution designed to elevate your home entertainment experience. It delivers rich, room-filling sound with support for Dolby Atmos, providing an immersive audio experience for movies, music, and TV shows. With built-in voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, the Beam offers hands-free control over your entertainment and smart home devices. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any living room setup, and it integrates effortlessly with other Sonos speakers, allowing for a customizable whole-home audio system. The Beam also supports Apple AirPlay 2, enabling easy streaming from Apple devices. Enhanced dialogue clarity, adjustable bass and treble settings, and a night mode ensure that you get the best sound quality at any time of the day. Easy to set up and use, the Sonos Beam Soundbar is a must-have gadget for audiophiles and tech enthusiasts in 2024. Number 6. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. This one brings cutting-edge security and convenience to your home by allowing you to lock and unlock your door using your smartphone. Its sleek design fits seamlessly over your existing deadbolt, ensuring compatibility without changing your keys. The smart lock features auto lock and unlock capabilities, recognizing when you arrive and depart. You can grant temporary or permanent access to guests via the August app, and it integrates smoothly with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit for voice control. Its built-in Wi-Fi eliminates the need for additional bridge devices, making installation straightforward. Enhanced with real-time notifications and activity logs, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock provides comprehensive control and peace of mind, making it an indispensable addition to any modern home in 2024. Number 5. iRobot Roomba S7 Plus. This is a state-of-the-art robotic vacuum designed to take automated cleaning to the next level. With advanced mapping and navigation technology, it learns the layout of your home, creating smart maps for efficient cleaning. The i7 Plus can be controlled via a smartphone app or voice commands through smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Its standout feature is the self-emptying base, which automatically empties the vacuum's dustbin into an enclosed bag, allowing for weeks of hands-free cleaning. With powerful suction, dual multi-surface rubber brushes, and high-efficiency filters, the Roomba i7 Plus tackles dirt, pet hair, and allergens effectively. This combination of convenience, advanced features, and smart home integration makes it a must-have gadget for maintaining a spotless home in 2024. Number 4. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. This is a premier smart security device offering top-notch features to enhance your home security. With 1,536 PHD video resolution, it provides crystal-clear footage, while the advanced 3D motion detection and bird's eye view offer precise movement tracking. This doorbell supports two-way audio, enabling you to communicate with visitors directly from your smartphone. Integration with Amazon Alexa allows for seamless voice control and alerts. The sleek design and customizable faceplates ensure it complements any home exterior. With real-time notifications and video recording, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 ensures you stay connected and secure, making it an essential gadget for modern home security in 2024. Number 3. Nest Learning Thermostat. This is an intelligent device that optimizes your home's heating and cooling to enhance comfort and save energy. It learns your schedule and temperature preferences, automatically adjusting settings to keep your home cozy while reducing utility bills. The thermostat can be controlled remotely via the Nest app, allowing you to manage your home's climate from anywhere. With features like energy history, system alerts, and compatibility with most HVAC systems, the Nest Learning Thermostat seamlessly integrates with smart home ecosystems, making it a must-have for efficient home management in 2024. Number 2. Philips Hue Smart Bulbs. These smart bulbs offer a dynamic and customizable lighting solution for any home. These smart bulbs allow you to adjust color and brightness via the Philips Hue app or through voice commands with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. With millions of colors and various shades of white, you can create the perfect ambience for any occasion, from a cozy night into a lively party. The bulbs also feature scheduling and automation, enabling lights to turn on or off at specific times or in response to your routines. Easy to install and energy efficient, Philips Hue smart bulbs seamlessly integrate with existing smart home systems. They also support features like geofencing, which can automatically adjust lighting when you arrive or leave home, enhancing convenience and security. These bulbs are an essential addition to modern smart homes, offering both functionality and style in 2024. Number 1. Amazon Echo Show 10. This is a groundbreaking smart display that brings versatility and innovation to your home. Featuring a 10.1-inch HD screen that automatically rotates to follow your movement, it ensures you always have the best view during video calls, cooking, or streaming. Integrated with Alexa, it allows for hands-free control of smart home devices, access to news, weather updates, and more through simple voice commands. Enhanced with premium sound quality and a built-in smart home hub, the Echo Show 10 is designed to elevate your home entertainment and automation experience, making it an indispensable gadget for 2024. Its ability to adapt to your location in the room and deliver high-quality visuals and audio makes it a standout in smart home technology. Thank you for exploring the top smart home gadgets you need right now. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, news, and updates on the latest innovations in smart home technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.